Yo, what's up, everyone? Let's talk about something that's been buzzing in the fintech world, virtual cards. Specifically, we're diving into whether Monese, that popular mobile banking app, offers these digital wonders. Now, you might be thinking, who cares about virtual cards? Well, hang tight, because they're actually pretty cool. Imagine having a card number that's as disposable as a tissue. You can use it for one online purchase, then poof, it's gone. No more worrying about your card details falling into the wrong hands. It's like having a secret agent card, but for your money. So, does Monese join the virtual card party? Let's break it down. First off, what exactly is a virtual card? It's essentially a digital version of your physical card. It has a card number, expiry date, and CVV, just like the real deal, but it only exists in the digital world. You can use it for online shopping, subscriptions, and even some in-app purchases. The big advantage? Security. If something goes wrong, you can simply freeze or delete the card without affecting your main account. Now, let's talk Monese. As you probably know, it's a mobile-first banking app that's gained a lot of traction. It offers a range of features, from money transfers to budgeting tools. But does it have virtual cards? Well, let's do some detective work. Insert visuals of Monese app interface, features, and user reviews. I've spent some quality time exploring the Monese app, and while it's packed with features, I haven't stumbled upon a dedicated virtual card option. There might be some workarounds or third-party integrations, but as of now, it doesn't seem like Monese is waving the virtual card flag. But don't despair, Monese fans. This might change. The fintech world is moving fast, and new features are popping up all the time. Maybe Monese is cooking up something special behind the scenes. So, what's the verdict? As it stands, Monese doesn't appear to offer virtual cards. But remember, the digital landscape is always evolving. Keep an eye on Monese updates, and who knows, they might surprise us with a virtual card feature in the future. While we wait, you can always explore other banking options that offer virtual cards. There are plenty out there, and they might have features that perfectly suit your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep your money safe.